Let me teach you in this video how to solve those type of question we have here. Solution. First of all, we are going to start working from the left hand side, what we have here. And we are going to apply this particular law of indices. If you have a raised to the power m and another power n outside the brackets, according to the law, you multiply the exponents together. You have m multiplied by n. So if we apply this particular law in the numerator, we are going to have x raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2. If you apply that denominator, you have x raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2. This is equal to 4x raised to the power 2 minus 27. So if we multiply 5 by 2, now you get 10. So the numerator, we have x raised to the power 10. Denominator, we have x raised to the power 8. This is equal to 4x squared minus 27. In the numerator now, what we have here, to make it very easy for you, we have x raised to the power 10. This line means division. I'll stop using the line and write divided by the denominator x raised to the power 8. This is equal to 4x squared minus 27. By the left hand side, we are going to apply this law of indices a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. This is called division law of indices. You pick one of the bases because they have common bases. Then you subtract the exponents. So when we apply the law towards the left hand side, we are going to have x raised to the power 10 minus 8. This is equal to 4x squared minus 27. Then we have x raised to the power 10 minus 8 is 2. Is equal to 4x raised to the power 2 minus 27. Now we'll collect like terms. We have x here, we have x here, so I'll keep them together. This one doesn't have x, I'll take it to the other side. So minus 27 will come toward the left hand side. It becomes plus with the cross sign of equality. This is equal to 4x squared. Then this is x squared, cross sign of equality becomes minus x squared. So we have here 27 here is equal to, we have this is 4x squared, meaning that x squared is 4 here. And it is 1 here. So if you remove one of it from this 4, it remains 3x squared. So the next thing we are going to do, remember our target is to get the value of x. So to get the value of x, first of all, we divide both sides by 3. Divide this 1 by 3. This will divide, this will divide. This will go here, we have 1, and here we have 9. So 3 divided 27 will give us 9. So we have here 9 is equal to x raised to the power 2. Then we can express this 9 in the exponential form, and when we do that, we have 3 raised to the power 2 is equal to x raised to the power 2. At this point, you can see that the exponents are equal. This one and this one are equal. So if the exponents are equal, then the bases are also equal. And therefore, our value of x is equal to 3. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.